Minnie-rella. Mickey wants to surprise Minnie. He needs to keep Minnie busy. "Can you take care of my frog?" Goofy asks. "And sweep the floor?" Daisy adds. "And wash my rubber duckies," says Donald. "I have a lot to do," says Minnie. First, she washes the rubber duckies. Next, she fixes Pluto's bear. "I'm so tired," says Minnie. Soon, she is asleep. "Minnie-rella," a voice calls. "I'm your fairy godmother. It's time to get ready for Prince Mickey's ball." Minnie-rella has too much to do. The fairy godmother will help. She waves her wand. Oops! Flowers grow out of the floor. "Oh, Koodles!" she calls. Koodles brings a pillow, a hippo, a ribbon, and the mystery tool. They will save the tools for later. The handy helper helps clean. "Now you can go to Prince Mickey's ball," the fairy godmother says. "I need a dress," says Minnie-rella. "Here," the fairy godmother says. "Oh no, the dress is in pieces." "Oops," says the fairy godmother. The fairy godmother whistles. Some little friends come to help. Soon, Minnie-rella has a lovely dress. Now, Minnie-rella needs a new bow. Says the fairy godmother. "Which tool can we use?" "The ribbon," says Minnie-rella. The fairy godmother looks down. "Your shoes won't do at all," she cries. She waves her wand once. Oops! She tries again. Oops! "Once more," says the fairy godmother. "That's it." "You're ready," says the fairy godmother. "But how will I get there?" says Minnie-rella. They go to Goofy's garden. The fairy godmother asks for a pumpkin. "No, I don't have any pumpkins," Goofy says. "But I've got a big tomato." The tomato turns into a carriage. Goofy turns into a coachman. "Be home before midnight," says the fairy godmother. On the way to the ball, the carriage gets stuck in a hole. Minnie-rella calls Koodles. Which tool can help them? Maybe the hippo can push the carriage out of the hole. The hippo taps the carriage. Away it goes. Soon, Minnie and Goofy come to the castle gate. "It takes 3 diamonds to unlock the gate," Pete says. Koodles brings the mystery tool. It is a bracelet with 3 diamonds. The 3 diamonds unlock the gate. Minnie can go to the ball. Minnie runs to the ball. She dances with Prince Mickey. Prince Mickey has found his princess. Soon it is midnight. "I have to go," cries Minnie. "Wait, I don't know your name," Prince Mickey calls. "How will I find her?" he asks. Pluto sees the glass slipper. Prince Mickey must find the one who fits the glass slipper. Prince Mickey begins his search. Goofy tries on the glass slipper. It does not fit. The slipper is going to break. Koodles brings the pillow. Prince Mickey catches the slipper. Goofy takes him to see Minnie. The glass slipper fits. The prince and princess will live happily ever after. "Wake up, Minnie," calls her friends. Mickey gives her a present. "I dreamed of shoes like these," Minnie says. "Thank you." "You look like a princess," says Mickey. "You'll always be my prince," Minnie says. The friends do the hot dog dance. Minnie loves her new glass slippers. She does the best dance of all. The end. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click the like and subscribe button for more videos.